So what exactly do we do after Shopify dropshipping? Do we have to basically dropship our whole lives? What's up everyone, Sri Kanase here, and today I'm gonna be discussing what options you guys have along with dropshipping, because really if you think about it, who the hell wants to dropship their whole lives? I mean, that's kind of boring. Even though it's pretty boring, it does provide a large income source, so I'll definitely be dropshipping for a large portion of my life, but as I go on and get into other business ventures, it'll definitely be something that becomes more of a side business rather than my main focus. And in this video, I want to show you guys what other options you have which can become your main focus, so you're not just focusing all of your energy on dropshipping, because in the end, the more income streams you have, the more successful you'll be. Because let's say your dropshipping store is somewhat seasonal and it doesn't sell in specific months. Instead of having no income coming in into your bank account during those months, you can still earn income from other income streams, which is why it's so important to be discussing this topic and for you to watch the entire video. So if you guys are finding value in these videos, make sure to hit that like button, because that lets me know that I should be putting out more videos like these. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you stay up to date with these quality videos. And let's begin. So the very first thing, I have divided all of the 4 things on this list in terms of ranking. So from top to bottom, basically, where you can start with the lowest amount of income and all the way to the highest amount of income. And the first thing on my list is selling on eBay or Amazon, Etsy, Bonanza, Craigslist. These are all things you can do while selling on Shopify or after you've successfully established your Shopify business. And these provide excellent income streams if you guys do it right. And the very cool thing is, once you establish the right knowledge base and get enough knowledge from Shopify dropshipping, you can basically apply that knowledge over and over again in these selling platforms, and it'll be much easier for you to earn revenue with that knowledge you've gained. So this is definitely something you can venture into even if you're not having too much success with Shopify. Maybe you can go ahead and start eBay dropshipping or Amazon dropshipping, and then from there, once you establish businesses over there, you can come back to Shopify when you have the right amount of knowledge. But again, knowledge is very important for these things, and even before jumping into any of these other ventures, you want to gain knowledge. And for this, I recommend getting a mentor. I personally offer mentoring services if you're interested, but you can also just watch the YouTube videos out there, which is overall all beneficial for you. So this is something you can definitely venture out into after dropshipping or during dropshipping, which is eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Bonanza, or basically any other website you can find. The second thing that happens after you begin dropshipping and gain enough knowledge is marketing agencies and social media growth agencies. So basically, this is when people begin to establish their marketing agencies and start doing Facebook advertising or Instagram advertising or whatever they're experienced in for other stores or other individuals in general. And this is the second step that you can do. It requires a little bit of more knowledge and somewhat of more capital than the first list, but this is also something you can venture out into slowly and steadily once you have enough knowledge. I have personally started my own marketing agency where I'll be handling Facebook advertisement, and it's in the beginning stages. But once I have enough testimonials from my current clients, I'll be bringing that onto YouTube to show you guys and offer it for you guys. But this is the second thing that happens after Shopify dropshipping. Once you have enough capital and knowledge, you begin to open up things like marketing agencies or social media growth agencies, basically growing other people's Instagram accounts or Facebook accounts. So this is another business venture that you can go out into even if you have some sort of knowledge with marketing or social media growth. Third item on my list is cryptocurrency, stocks, and bonds. This is the third item on my list mainly because you require a little bit of more capital in this and even some more knowledge in different aspects. So the knowledge you have in regards to Shopify or selling online in general may not necessarily apply to cryptocurrency, stocks, and bonds. So this is something you have to invest more time in and learn about them before investing. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that I have invested around $1,500 in cryptocurrency, and it is definitely a good investment to be in 2018 and onwards. So this is something you can also jump into once you have enough knowledge. But when you're doing Shopify, you want to start thinking about these other income streams, and the more you have, the better it is for you and the more relaxed life you can live. So cryptocurrency, stocks, and bonds is number 3 on my list. And the fourth and final thing on my list is real estate / personal businesses. This is my main end goal, which I have always strived for and will continue striving for until I achieve it. Real estate is king because it is really a good way to diversify all of your net worth into all the houses that you own. You can either do house flip-flopping or just buy houses to rent out or anything you can think of. Real estate is something, for me personally, it's my end goal. And I personally feel like when you can do a lot of real estate and have a residual income coming in up to $5,000 or even $10,000 per month, that's when you basically win at life. You can basically do nothing and still have income coming in from all the homes that you own. And this is why it's so much in demand. And this is something you should also be focusing at if you want to live more of a relaxed life and have residual income coming in. You can also do personal businesses such as restaurants, gas stations, or other kinds of shops, or anything that you might be interested in doing. Some of these things do require more hands-on approach, so you have to be there consistently, but these are also other ventures you can go out into. And this is the fourth and final step because it requires the most amount of capital and knowledge. And this is what you want to be preparing towards. So even if you don't have the capital right now, maybe you could invest time getting knowledge right now, so when you do have the capital, you can immediately jump in. So this was just a quick video what you guys could do in order to basically diversify your portfolio and have multiple income streams coming in. And if you guys did find value in this video, let me know down in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time.